Welcome to the land of Angh. The Konyaks are the ethnic group of people who resides in the forest interior of Nagaland's Mon district. The Konyaks live a very simple life. The Konyaks practice jhum cultivation and rice is the staple food. Hunting and fishing are important part of their lifestyle. Traditionally, the Konyaks used to practice animism, believing in the spirit of nature and the existence of the spiritual world. The Konyaks are skilled in various crafts such as bamboo work, making local fire guns, and weaving. The Konyaks celebrate festivals such as Auleng Monyu and Laongmo, which symbolizes the arrival of spring and harvest. They celebrate traditionally by singing folk song and folk dance. The Konyak Morong is a traditional communal dormitory where young and unmarried men of the village gather to learn and train in the way of their ancestors, particularly in the area of welfare and village responsibilities. The Konyak tribe are the last of the headhunters of Nagaland. The ancestors of Konyak tribe were popularly known for their headhunting practices. Headhunting symbolizes bravery, prestige, and virility. The Konyak warrior are also known for their elaborate facial and body tattoos. The tattoos were earned as a sample of powers and success in headhunting. A warrior who brought back the head of the enemies are highly respected. The heads were believed to carry a person's life force and believed to bring prosperity and fertility to the village. The head of the enemies served as a trophy. Senior warrior with numerous headhunting victories had tattooed faces as a mark of their status and position.